All right, so I'm going to show you how to install the PowerPulse on this 87 Land Cruiser. Super easy. All you have to do is identify a space under the hood. A lot of people will actually mount it to the firewall. In this case, you could actually mount it down here to the fender well, though you might not want to drill holes through your fender well. In this case, what we're going to do is install it right here on the inside of the fender. So once we've identified that, we can just run the wires down behind these other cables that are in here, put it right into place here. As you can see, I've actually pre-drilled a hole already to mount this. All it takes is 2 screws, so we can just mount it here. We'll put that screw in here in just a minute. Once you mount it, all you have to do is run your cables to each terminal on the battery, which we'll show you, and then you're done.